Hey guys, RoonPicker here for another lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is a quick set from Jeffery Post, and we're going to be picking Ping Me. You can see he made it out of a traditional quick set, and we got the mummified key here. So let's get this into the device and see if we can get it open real fast. We're going to try to rake this open, see if we can get this open. Just trying to kill some time while I'm at work waiting for stuff to happen. Got it open. Put up a fight, but able to get it open eventually. Let's take a look at this key. Well, that's some good challenge lock betting. Surprised we were able to rake that, actually. You see we got a pretty good high point there, but we were still able to rake it. Key does work very well. So I don't have all my tools with me like I normally would, but can gut it by taking this top off. Ooh. Okay, still good. One. Okay, let's see if we can get that. There we got it. There we go. There's three. Ooh, that's interesting. Number 3 is a pin and pin. And number 1. Looks like number 2 is a pin and pin as well. So let me just get this over here. Alright, and threadings in 1, 2, nothing in 3, nothing in 4. Or threading in 1, nothing in 2, nothing in 3, threading in 4 and 5. And let's take this clip off the back. We got threading in chamber 1, 2, nothing in 3, threading in 4, nothing in 5. So let's go ahead and take a look at these pins. Sorry about that. You can see we got those pin and pins in 2 and 3, lots of spools and serrated pins, and we got a variation in spring strength. So definitely a fun lock. Glad we were able to get it open fast, but if you like this content, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.